Have you ever looked at someone with the glowing, radiant skin and wondered how they do it? Well, the secret to getting that natural glow isn't as complicated as you might think. Take care of your skin. This means washing your face with a gentle cleanser twice a day to remove dirt, oil, and makeup that can clog your pores and dull your complexion. Moisturize your skin every day. Moisturizing helps to hydrate your skin and keep it looking plump and youthful. Look for a moisturizer that's formulated for your skin type, whether you have an oily, dry, or combination type skin. Use a face mask 1 to 2 times a week. Face masks can help to remove dead skin cells. Look for masks that contain ingredients like vitamin C and hyaluronic acid for the best results. Drink plenty of water. This is one of the best things you can do for your skin. Taking care of your skin isn't just about what you put on it. It's also about what you put in your body. Water helps to flush out the toxins and keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Eating a healthy diet. Foods that are rich in antioxidants like berries and leafy greens can help to fight the free radicals that can damage your skin. And foods that are high in healthy fats like avocados and nuts can help to keep your skin plump and moisturized. Exercise. Don't be lazy and start exercising. When you do exercise, it increases your blood flow to your skin, which can help to nourish your skin cells and give you a healthy, radiant glow. Manage stress. When you're stressed, your body produces hormones that can wreak havoc on your skin. Practicing stress management techniques like meditation and deep breathing can help to keep your stress levels in check and keep your skin looking its best. Remember that taking care of your skin is a holistic process that involves both internal and external factors. By taking care of your body and your mind, you can achieve that radiant, healthy glow that you've been dreaming of.